Oh, he's here.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi. So we are live already, right? I don't understand this very well.
Yes, we are
Okay,
live.
nice. Okay. Nice.
How are you, Shahir?
How can I see you clear in this?
पता नहीं. ये मैंने filter डाला है ना Instagram का.
Oh.
Would you like to add one?
Yeah. Let me
तेरे
try.
पास होएगा ही नहीं. जा इस पे filters पे जा. ये
Okay. Okay, I don't really have anything. What do I have? No filter. Okay, no filter.
ये better है ना, ये वाला जो डाला था अभी, पहला वाला.
जो पहला जो डाला था मैंने.
हाँ. देख, ये देखा.
Oh,
ये डॉगी हो रहा है. Next कर.
Okay, no,
नहीं.
I don't know. मेरी background. I can't do this
You
right
don't
now.
have a nice.
I'll figure
you
this
don't
out
have a
later.
nice filter. You don't have a nice filter. चल मैं तेरे को इसके बाद ये फिल्टर भेज दूंगी, अपने पास रखना.
ठीक. Okay.
मैं एकदम ऐसे क्लियर लुक देखो कैसी लग
I
रही
know,
है.
I know, I
स्किन दे, मेरी स्किन दे चमकती. ये है इंस्टाग्राम के फिल्टर का राज. ओके गाइस, चल
So-
बात कर लेते हैं.
हाँ.
Hi
Please
everybody.
tell us, guys. Hi. कैसा लग रहा है आप सबको
शहीर
सॉन्ग?
सर के पास थोड़ा टाइम है, हमारे पास ज्यादा टाइम नहीं है. सर बिजी हैं, सर सिलीगुड़ी में शूट कर रहे हैं, आपके
अरे
लिए
यार.
नया एंटरटेनमेंट लेकर आ रहे हैं, तो इनके पास ज्यादा टाइम नहीं है. जल्दी सवाल पूछें. हाउ डिड यू लाइक द सॉन्ग? टेल अस.
Please tell us, yeah. क्या बात करनी
तेरा
है?
कमरा कितना सही है यार, कल से बोल रही हूँ मैं. कहाँ रह रहा है तू?
It's a nice resort. It's quite nice actually. Tea Estate के बीच में है, which is amazing.
तो तुम तो घूमने निकल जाते होगे.
नहीं, अभी तक मौका ही नहीं मिला. कंटिन्यूसली शूट कर रहा हूँ. But hopefully एक छुट्टी मिलेगी तो I will be.
Loved it. Ishi Roy is saying she loved it. Shahir Birdie's community is saying they loved it. Diksha is saying she liked it. Shruti, great song. Thank you so much.
Akila.
So everybody likes the song, which is nice. And we just now got to know that the song is trending on #1 on YouTube. है ना?
Yes, which is
So, which is
such a
great.
good
Which
surprise,
is
yeah.
really nice. So
Yeah.
nice,
Thank you so
good,
much for appreciating our work.
and loving our chemistry. That there is no chemistry.
I know. We can sense that totally. You don't have to tell them; they know it.
They know it. You don't
Pallavi,
know.
Brahma. Okay.
Actually, there are some comments which we are supposed to read. Do you have them?
I guess. Can I leave this screen and go? Okay. I have only this phone.
Oh
Okay.
my God, I have 3. You know.
Yeah, I guess you read and we will try to answer them.
नहीं, I think ये these are on
No, I can't leave them.
YouTube, Twitter, everywhere. So Khushi _SNS with sunflower. She has your photo as a DP, and she says loved everything about the video, the music video, lyrics, concept, and these two talented actors, Shahir and Hina Khan together. Okay, then we have Nandita. This song is so soothing and soft with the amazing chemistry of Shahina. अरे वाह! And melodious voice of the singers. हमारा hashtag बन गया है. Can you beat that? Shahina. करना पड़ेगा, कुछ और करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ यार,
Sky.
that's what.
और शहीर को
Sky.
लद्दाख में करना है इस बार, by the way मैं बता दूं. So Sky says the song is literally very, very beautiful. The melodious tunes, the soothing lyrics, the appealing scenery, and last but not the least, Shahir and Hina. I am literally speechless over their performance. They have left us amazed and flabbergasted. क्या बात है. So बहुत सारे हैं, YouTube पे भी बहुत लोगों ने बोला है. तंजिया तबस्सुम ने बोला है Hina and Shahir, what a chemistry, such a soulful song, and the chemistry killed it. Anu की edits, sorry Shahir, मैं पढ़ रही हूँ since you don't have them.
I know.
Hina
I'm so
and
sorry.
Shahir, what a
You have to
chemistry,
read
such a
this.
soulful song by Stebin, Ben and Payal Dev, and 2 million views very soon. 2 million already हो चुके होंगे अभी तक. Varsha Atarde says Shahira is looking so adorable in hoodie. Hi.
हाँ, you remember? वो वाला sequence.
हाँ, जब मैं
When
तुम्हारे
you
ऊपर
almost
पानी
dropped.
गिराने वाली थी.
हाँ, गिरा दिया था. गरम
So you
उबलता
don't
हुआ
know.
पानी.
There are a lot of bloopers जो आपके
Yeah,
साथ हम discuss कर सकते हैं, like that scene. Because शहीर perfect shot नहीं दे रहा था, उससे acting नहीं हो पा रही थी. वो मतलब मेरी खूबसूरती में ऐसा खो गया कि मुझे बोलना पड़ा कि
तो उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि वो गरम गरम पानी से मुझे जला दे. Only then
it
ये
was
अपने
actually
सीन को अच्छे से
hot
करेगा.
water. तो ये डर के मारे प्लीज पानी मत गिराना. So that was cute. So there are a lot of things which happened. और I think हमारे लिए सबसे scary था बारिश only. जब
I know.
बारिश से हम इतना
I
ज़्यादा
was
डरे.
dreading it. मैं इतना डरा हुआ था. And you तो were like, okay, fine, कर लेंगे. But
क्या
when-
कर लेंगे, मेरी भी अब बोल नहीं सकती हूँ, मेरी भी
हाँ
हालत
नहीं,
खराब.
बट जब वो ने रिवर का पानी यूज किया तब तो बाप रे, आइस
That
कोल्ड
was-
वाटर.
Ice cold, straight from the glacier in Pahalgam. That water is traveling and they put these pipes in it because जितने भी tankers थे वो सब खत्म हो गए पहले sequence में, and then they put these pipes in, then they pumped the water out और वो drizzle किया हमारे ऊपर. Ice cold जिसमें आप 10
couldn't
second
do the lip sync. हाँ, हो ही नहीं रहा था. You remember?
इनको हमारी
You remember
chemistry
you ran
अच्छी
out
लगी.
and then you
I
ran
know,
in
I ran out. I know. इतना ठंडा था, I ran out. And we are like this.
thinking
Shahir and
about
me
it.
are
I'm feeling cold.
हाँ. Shahir and me are looking at each other and like ऐसे कर रहे थे हम बात भी नहीं कर पा रहे थे. It was crazy. But,
Yeah, but-
we had fun. Yeah, we had
Quite
fun.
an experience. Yeah. I don't think
Yeah,
I'll
it
ever
was-
do it again. So yeah.
Really, at least not in this temperature, है ना?
Yeah.
बॉम्बे
yeah,
में भी
yeah.
बारिश के इतने सारे सीक्वेंस किए हैं तो ऐसे कुछ हुआ नहीं. बट नॉनदलेस आई थिंक इट वाज रियली नाइस. अब
Yeah.
आप लोगों ने इतना प्यार दिया, यू ऑल हैव रियली लाइक्ड आवर केमिस्ट्री एंड आई थिंक हमारे लिए भी पहली बार
Oh,
था.
somebody said you look similar.
वी लुक सिमिलर.
Yeah.
भैया
Really?
क्या आप किसके जन्म में मेरे भाई थे? ना.
Awesome song. No, mostly they have loved the song. Yeah. ये तुम कुछ खा पी रही हो इसके लिए?
अरे हाँ
It's
यार
coffee
कर रही
since
हूँ.
yesterday,
It will take time. कल भी डॉक्टर के पास गई थी. He said some people take 3 months.
Oh.
तो it'll take time. भैया आकांक्षा सिंह भैया. Ujjwal Singh, it's fabulous. So how much time do you have, Shahir?
I guess I have to change now and go for my next shot.
है ना?
But
Yeah.
you want to carry on?
नहीं, I mean, if you're done, let me know whenever you're like, don't just हो गया. I mean, we've given them some insight and all we
Oh.
can tell them is that please love the song and
Yeah, please share it with everyone.
share it
Yeah.
with everybody. And I know you all have loved the chemistry and we are already planning for the next project. अब शहीर
Yeah.
सर के पास डेट हो और शहीर सर अगर मेरे साथ काम करना चाहें
Why do
दोबारा,
you do this? नहीं
तो-
क्यों? मतलब what fun do you get out of this?
और अगर इन्होंने अंडा खाना छोड़ दिया तो मैं इनके साथ काम करूंगी.
ठीक है, अब now at least you have balanced it. But do send me
हाँ.
this filter and
हाँ, I will send you this filter. You change,
Yeah.
get ready, and
Yeah.
all the best to you. बात करती हूँ बाद में.
all
ठीक
the
है?
best. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so ये थे शहीर and I hope y'all liked the song and please keep liking it and that's it, right? है ना? Yeah, I mean,
Viral Originals YouTube channel.
yes. Please go on to Viral Originals YouTube channel and please keep liking and commenting and it's already trending. Thank you so much and thank you for all the love. Especially for Shahir's fan club and my fan club, Hinaholics. Thank you so much for so much of love and attention you've given us. And I wish you... What do I wish them? I think I should wish all of them... okay, let me just say, stay safe. चलो मैं भी जाती हूँ. विभूति सॉन्ग इज ब्यूटिफुल एंड आदित्य जैन सेज प्लीज रिप्लाई. हाँ जी पूछिए. इस क्या लिखा है, सॉरी. हिना पूर्णिमा सेज हिना टेक माय नेम. ऑल टाइम सपोर्ट यू, थैंक यू. चलिए आई विल ऑल्सो leave now, and I will see you guys soon. आप लोग अपना ख्याल रखें. Please stay safe, and please keep watching the song. Make a lot of reels, and take care, all of you. I hope you liked everything about the song. Bye.